When I was first getting into origami, I was creating most of my squares from 8.5 by 11 sheets of copy paper. This resulted in a large stack of long rectangular pieces of scrap. I was determined to not let these go to waste, so I came up with multiple items that I could create from them. This is one of them, pocket airplanes. Or if you stick around to the end, I found another use for it that is actually quite practical for me today. We're basically going to make a long, skinny envelope. I'm being a little bit particular here, but one of the nice things about this project is that it doesn't have to be extremely precise to function very well as intended, unlike some more meticulous origami creations. You might be thinking, what is a grown man doing carrying tiny little paper airplanes in his pocket? Well, I don't. This is just something that I made when I was a kid, and I thought that someone else's kids might get a kick out of it. But I also did find a practical use for it, as I alluded to earlier, that I will show you at the end of this video. Next, we have to make a second side. The key is to do this fold a little bit wider so it makes this sleeve just enough wider so they'll both fit into each other. Now, I didn't come up with the folds of this envelope, if you will. I just figured out I could make these folds with a piece of paper that's a different shape and change the dimensions of this envelope to something a little bit longer, more rectangular, and being able to put them together to make a fully enclosed sleeve. There we have it. Next, we can use this same scrap piece of paper to make 3 little airplanes. Here we need to start with a trifold. If a person was going to make a lot of these, they could just keep one of these pieces as a cutting template in order to avoid having to make this trifold again. They actually fly fairly well for a small airplane. They're very fast and dart-like. And I'm just going to make the basic traditional airplane for these. A person could make any type of airplane variant that wanted to out of it and play with it, but for the purposes of this, these are fast and easy to make. And when these are placed in the paper sleeve, the point of it is they don't get bent up. Recently, I needed a solution for carrying 1 or 2 pieces of gum in my pocket without it falling out of the wrapper. This I do use sometimes.